In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to approve a sponsor on Cash App. Of course, you have to launch your Cash App application. Now, step one, navigate to the home screen. All of Cash App's essential features are located here. So, once you're here, you can now proceed to step two, that is to click the activity icon. Okay, so to access your transaction history and pending requests, tap the activity symbol in the lower right corner of the screen. Step 2, you can now take a look and approve the request. You can review the sponsor request by selecting View next to Request for approval. Doing so will take you to that screen. Now you can review the terms and conditions to make sure you're aware of everything before moving on. After that, proceed to step 3. Verification of account. So you have to give or provide your legal name, birth date, and social security number if your account hasn't already been confirmed. Cash App may ask you to do so. So you must provide the following. Step 4. After all of this process, now you can simply monitor activity on sponsored accounts. When your application is accepted, you may follow the sponsored account's activity in real time via Cash App. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.